Welcome to this journey of uncovering the essence of love. Not the fleeting romance portrayed in films, but a deeper, truer experience of love that resides within you. Today we're exploring 7 signs that show you are love, not just that you give or receive it, but that it's your very essence. By recognizing these signs, you'll become more attuned to the immense love you already carry for yourself, for others, and the bliss of oneness itself. Let's begin. 1. You treat yourself with kindness. When you truly understand that you are love, self-kindness becomes second nature. You speak to yourself with warmth, even when you stumble, and take time to honour your needs. This isn't selfishness, it's self-love. When you nurture yourself, you create space to share love more freely with others. 2. You celebrate others' joy without envy. Have you noticed yourself genuinely happy for someone else's success without feeling like it detracts from your own? This is love in action. True love means recognizing that there's no competition in happiness. Someone else's light doesn't dim your own. Instead, their joy amplifies the collective energy of love. 3. You feel deep gratitude for life's little things. Love blossoms when we notice the beauty in everyday moments. A cool breeze, a kind smile from a stranger, or a moment of stillness with a hot cup of tea. Gratitude anchors us in love. When you are love, every experience, even the small ones, feels like a gift. Before we dive deeper into these signs, I want to pause for a moment to invite you to become part of this community of love. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss an uplifting message. Together, we're spreading light, one heart at a time. 4. You forgive, even when it's hard. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. When you embrace forgiveness, you let go of the pain that holds you back. This isn't about excusing harmful behaviour. It's about freeing your own heart to return to its natural state of love. Forgiveness is an act of self-love, as much as it is of grace towards others. 5. You experience unity in relationships. When you are love, you don't feel the need to prove yourself or control others in relationships. Instead, there's an effortless flow, a balance of giving and receiving. You realise relationships aren't about what you can take, but what you can build together. Love thrives in the mutual celebration of one another's being. 6. You connect with the present moment. Living in the now is a hallmark of love. When you let go of past regrets and future anxieties, you immerse yourself in the fullness of life. You experience pure joy in the moment, no matter what that moment holds. In this presence, you discover the limitless nature of love, always here, always available. 7. You feel an inner bliss beyond circumstances. You are bliss, fulfilment, and spiritual love. In this realization, you know that you don't need anything outside of you to complete you. You are whole. You are infinite. Love isn't something you feel, it's who you are. These 7 signs are reminders of the highest truth. We don't need to search for love. We are love. Take these insights with you today and remember that every moment offers an opportunity to express this love within yourself and the world. If this message resonated with you, please like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs this reminder. Together we can amplify the love that surrounds us. Thank you for being here, and until next time, stay blessed and shine forth in love.